Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're gonna unbox and show you how we put together a Burch Barrel grill. So the first thing that we wanna do is put together the legs, and here's how we do that. We're gonna start by removing the legs from the package. We wanna screw the feet into the bottom of each leg, and then we wanna connect the upper and the lower halves of the legs. We're gonna seam the pistol grip slider over the top of the leg, then attach the cable and the small shackle to the pistol grip lever. We want to connect the leg with the pistol grip to the tripod arm with an open top. We're also going to connect all the remaining legs. We want to feed the cable through the top knot over the pulley wheels and down the center of the tripod top. Then we're going to place and secure the top knot cover. We want to connect the hooked end barrel spanners to the side of the barrel. And then we're going to hang the barrel by the 3 hook-ended barrel spanners to the tripod's 3-leg knuckles. We're going to place the coal pan in the grill. And then we're going to place the coal pan grate in the coal pan. We also want to place the lock collar and the grill grate on top of the barrel. We're going to thread the screws through the hook plate. Then we're going to flip over the lid and screw on the lid handle. We also want to connect the triple spanner hook assembly to the lid. Then we want to connect the loose end of the cable to the clip on top of the lid hook. Now the Burch Barrel is put together and ready to use. Now there are 3 reasons why I really love the Burch Barrel. The first one, it's pretty obvious. It looks badass. Number 2, it's very easy to break down and assemble again. So when I do my cooking classes and barbecue events, it's so easy to bring it along. And 3, which I think personally is the most important one, it has an amazing ability to control the heat and the fire. And the last thing that I want to do in this video is just show you the different ways that you can control the heat and the fire. First, you got vents on the side of the grill where you can control the amount of air you pull into the grill. We can also place the charcoal basket in 9 different positions, either close to the grate or far away from the grate. We have vents on top of the hood to adjust airflow as well. And then the most unique feature, we can lift the grates together with the hood away from the fire as well. And that was my unboxing and assembling video of the Burch Barrel. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy grilling.